Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you where to load your fabric softener in your Whirlpool washing machine. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and load your fabric softener in your Whirlpool washing machine. You just moved into a new home and you have this brand new machine. How do you actually go ahead about loading your fabric softener? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and pop open your Whirlpool washing machine. Afterwards, you want to go ahead and pull this panel open. And then you're going to see this first cup here that says softener. This is where you're going to load your fabric softener. And so once you load your fabric softener into here, there's a line that says max. Just simply fill it up to that line and then go ahead and close it up. Now, a very key thing to do is that once you actually turn your laundry machine on, you want to press the power button here. You're going to see that the indicator for the fabric softener is currently turned off. You want to click on rinse options so that the fabric softener light actually turns on. So to give you a closer look, you just want to make sure the fabric softener indicator is turned on, or else it's not going to use your fabric softener. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and load your fabric softener into your Whirlpool washing machine. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.